Step 12. Negotiating with suppliers. Negotiating isn't just about getting the lowest price, it's about building a long-term, win-win relationship with your supplier. Do your homework. Know market prices. Understand product costs. Before you negotiate, research market prices for similar products so you know what's fair. This gives you leverage. Ask for volume discounts. Larger orders equals lower unit cost. Suppliers often offer better rates for larger orders. Even if you start small, ask what discounts are available as you scale. Discuss payment terms: 30% deposit, 70% before shipping. Secure payment methods. Common terms are 30% upfront and 70% before shipping. Always use secure payment methods like trade assurance or PayPal for protection. Negotiate beyond price. Faster production time, better packaging, free samples. Don't focus only on price, ask for better packaging, faster production, or free samples for future products. Build the relationship. Mutual trust equals better deals. Treat your supplier as a partner. Strong relationships can lead to better prices, priority service, and new opportunities. Up next, Step 13. Shipping your products to Amazon. Once you've agreed on terms, it's time to arrange shipping to Amazon's warehouses. We'll cover that next.